Hey coffee lovers! Today we're gonna talk about something that's always been close to our hearts, a good cup of coffee. Are you thinking about espresso? Sure, a good espresso machine is great, but let's face it, they can be super expensive. So what do you do if you're a coffee lover who's on a budget? Well, don't worry, because I'm here to show you how to brew some seriously good coffee using just a few simple tools. First up, we have the Moka Pot, or the Bialetti coffee maker. It's this aluminum stovetop coffee maker that probably sits on your grandma's kitchen counter. It's composed of three main parts: the water reservoir, the coffee basket, and the collecting chamber. And you know what's cool? It's been around since 1933 and still brews a mean cup of coffee. It uses the steam pressure to channel water through a funnel into the coffee basket, through the filter, and to the coffee pot, where it produces a strong espresso-like cup of coffee minus the crema. But wait, there's a trick to brewing the perfect Moka Pot coffee. You have to start by pouring boiling hot water into the reservoir. If you use cold water, your coffee will taste terrible. Also, make sure to remove it from the heat as soon as the funnel starts hissing. And then, pour cold water on the side of the Moka Pot to stop the brewing process. Trust me, this will save your coffee from being ruined by overheating. And next, I'm gonna talk about this beauty, the mighty French press. But first, today's sponsor, Historia de Amor Coffee. Carefully selected from the best beans in Colombia, Historia de Amor brings to the US specialty coffee made with love, freshly roasted and delivered to your door. You can join them at the link below for a unique coffee experience. Are you tired of bland and generic coffee? Do you want to experience the richness and depth of freshly brewed coffee in the comfort of your own home? Look no further, because the French press is here to help. The French press is a two-part system consisting of a beaker, base and handle, and a lid, plunger and filter. With a variety of sizes and prices to choose from, you're sure to find the perfect one for your taste and budget. The magic behind the French press is its ability to separate the coffee grounds from the hot water through a simple yet effective coffee filter. Making coffee with a French press is a breeze. For 1 cup, simply add your coarse coffee grounds to the beaker. Pour in a little hot water, enough to dampen all the grounds, and let it sit for 30 seconds. That is what we call a pre-infusion. Then slowly add the rest of the water, give it a good stir, and wait between 3 and 4 minutes. Finally, press down the plunger, and voila! You now have a delicious cup of coffee that's full of flavor and aroma. The French press is perfect for anyone who wants a tasty and easy to make coffee without sacrificing quality. So go ahead, give it a try and taste the difference for yourself. I guarantee that you won't be disappointed. So there you have it, folks. Delicious coffee doesn't have to come from an expensive machine. With these budget-friendly methods, you can enjoy a delicious cup of coffee from the comfort of your own home. If you're like me and you never say no to coffee, make sure to like and subscribe to watch more content like this.